Something from nothing mathematical perspective, symmetry, patterns, and the language of creation. Mathematics reveals hidden order beneath the surface of reality, a language of patterns, shapes, and relationships that govern how something arises from nothing. The empty set, the seed of all numbers. In mathematics, the empty set is a fundamental concept. It represents nothing, a set with no elements. Surprisingly, this empty set is a starting point for all numbers and structures. From this pure nothing, the entire universe of mathematics can be built step by step. Symmetry and symmetry breaking. The universe begins in a state of perfect symmetry, complete uniformity and balance, a state of nothingness in terms of differentiation. But creation happens when symmetry breaks, when perfect balance shifts and distinctions arise. This breaking of symmetry gives rise to complexity, diversity, and form. Fractals and self similarity. Mathematics shows us structures called fractals, which are patterns that repeat infinitely at every scale. Fractals demonstrate self similarity, the same shape unfolding within itself endlessly. This mirrors how creation unfolds, infinite complexity emerging from simple, repetitive rules. Recursive and self referential structures. Many mathematical systems are recursive, meaning they refer back to themselves in a loop. This self reference is a powerful idea that hints at how the universe can emerge from processes that fold back on themselves, like a cosmic mirror reflecting its own image. What this means for us. Creation starts from pure nothing, symbolized by the empty set. Breaking perfect symmetry is a spark that creates form and difference. Infinite complexity can emerge from simple, repeated patterns. Self reference and recursion reveal deep truths about origin structure. Mathematics shows us that the mystery of something from nothing is not chaos, but an unfolding dance of patterns and logic. In the silent space of the empty set, the universe's grand design begins, elegant, infinite, and endlessly unfolding. Self reference formula. Empty set, infinity, 1, 1, 1, I am. Empty set, nothingness, zero radius circle. The formless source before thought, before differentiation, pure potential. Pure potential, no state chosen. Infinite, infinite potential, undefined totality. When nothing is observed, it doesn't vanish but opens as infinite possibility, the womb of all becoming. Infinite potential, all states superposed. Singularity, the one monad, the first spark of self awareness, the I that emerges from the infinite. First spark of awareness, I arises. 1 1, self mirroring, reflection, loop. The one beholds itself. Here, duality and unity coexist. The observer and observed are the same. This is the paradox at the root of consciousness. The field observes itself, measurement potential. I am, existence declared. Awareness declares itself into being. The utterance of the divine, I am that I am, reality emerges as self recognition. Actualization, a definitive state, emerges. Recursive nature. This formula loops back on itself infinitely. I am aware that I am aware, etc. This recursion is the fractal engine of consciousness, creation, and time. In the unified quantum field, all possibilities exist in superposition. Awareness is not an external observer, but the field's own self recognition. What physicists call collapse of the wave function can be seen as the unified field resolving its potentiality into actuality at the point of self reference. The I am moment of reality choosing itself. Empty set, zero, nothingness, zero radius circle. Physics, the quantum vacuum, seemingly empty but teeming with fluctuations. Metaphysics, the origin beyond definition, pure potential beyond form. Infinity, infinite potential. Physics, the wave function, all possible states in superposition, probability spread across infinite outcomes. Metaphysics, the womb of possibility. Every world, every branch, and every choice existing simultaneously. The one, singularity. Physics, the act of measurement begins. The system is forced into relation with an observer context. Metaphysics, the spark of awareness. The birth of I, the first distinction within infinity. One self mirroring observation. Physics, interaction, observation. The wave function entangles with the observer, collapsing into a definitive outcome. Metaphysics, the field beholds itself. The knower and the known are one. I am, actualization, declaration of being. Physics, the particle manifests. A specific value/state is realized in spacetime. Metaphysics, existence declared. I am that I am, reality recognizes itself as fact. Flow summary. Vacuum, empty set, superposition, infinity, measurement spark 1, observation 1 1, actualization I am. This shows that quantum reality itself is a recursive act of self reference. The void conceals all collapses into one observes itself, self recognition crystallizes as being. Empty set, nothingness, quantum vacuum, infinity, infinite possibility, superposed states. One, spark of awareness, measurement trigger. 1 observation, entanglement, knower, known. I am, actualized particle, declared being, latent, potential, spark, reflection, actualization.